All right, Sarah, we're just about done with the checkup. You've been taking good care of your teeth, but I see something we should discuss.
What is it, doctor? Is everything okay?
Yes, everything's fine, but I did notice that your teeth are a bit misaligned. It's nothing to worry about, but it's something we can correct to give you a healthier, straighter smile.
Oh, I see. What would I need to do?
Well, there are two options I'd recommend. One is metal braces, which are very effective and more affordable. The other option is Invisalign, which is clear, removable aligners that are less noticeable but slightly more expensive.
What's the difference between them? I don't really know much about either.
Let me explain. Metal braces are the traditional method. They're fixed to your teeth, and we would adjust them over time to gradually move your teeth into place. They're visible but very reliable for all kinds of corrections.
And Invisalign? Are they as good as braces?
Invisalign is a great option, especially if you're concerned about the appearance. They're clear, so most people won't even notice you're wearing them. They're also removable, which means you can take them out when you eat or brush your teeth. However, they may not work as quickly as metal braces for more complex corrections.
I do like the idea of something less noticeable. But would Invisalign take longer?
It depends on your specific case, but typically Invisalign can take a bit longer than metal braces. However, they're more comfortable for most people because there are no metal wires or brackets. It's all about what you prefer and what fits your lifestyle.
I think I prefer something less visible. But I'll need to think about it. Is there a big difference in the cost?
Yes, Invisalign tends to be more expensive than metal braces, mainly because of the materials and the fact that they're custom made. I'll provide you with a detailed estimate for both options, and you can decide what works best for you.
Thanks, doctor. I'll talk it over with my family and let you know.
That sounds good. Take your time. We'll make sure to get you on the right path to a beautiful, healthy smile whenever you're ready.
Thanks, doctor. Emily, I'll be back soon.
You're very welcome, Sarah. See you soon.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hey, we're deciding between the chicken burger and the beef burger. What do you recommend?
Both are pretty popular, but our chicken burger is a customer favorite. It's crispy and flavorful.
That sounds good. Does it come with fries?
Yes, it comes with fries and a drink. Would you like to go for the combo?
Sure, let's get 2 chicken burger combos, one with a Coke and the other with a Sprite.
Yeah, that sounds great. And can we get extra sauce with that?
Absolutely. I'll make sure you get extra sauce. Your total comes to $18. Please wait for your order at the next counter.
I'm glad we went with the chicken. I wasn't in the mood for beef today.
Same here. I can't wait to dig in.
I want this one, Mom. Can I please have it?
All right, Ethan. Just one chocolate, okay?
Is this everything for today?
Yes, just the chocolate.
That'll be $1.
Thanks, Mom.
Hi, I'd like these apples, please. Are they fresh?
Yes, they just arrived this morning. Good choice. That's $3 for the apples.
Great, thanks. They look perfect.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Just this drink, thanks.
All right, sir. That'll be $2.
Thanks, man. I needed this.
You're welcome. Have a good one.